Welcome to the world of cybersecurity, where digital threats lurk in every corner. In this video, we're diving deep into the minds of threat actors, the cybercriminals, hacktivists, and nation-state hackers who operate in the shadows. The hacker. Hacker is a common use to describe a threat actor. First of all, we have three types of hacker: white hackers, gray hat hackers, black hat hackers. The white hat hackers. They are ethical hackers who use their programming skills for good, ethical, and legal purposes. Security vulnerabilities are reported to developers for them to fix before the vulnerabilities can be exploited. The example of white hat hackers, also known as ethical hackers, perform crucial roles in cybersecurity. For example, they conduct penetration testing, where they simulate cyber attacks to identify vulnerabilities in a system before malicious hackers can exploit them. They are also perform vulnerability assessments, analyzing systems and networks to strengthen defenses. Another example, an excellent example of ethical hacking is HackerOne, a platform that connects ethical hackers with the companies to identify and fix security vulnerabilities. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills to protect systems rather than exploit them. For instance, ethical hackers often participate in bug bounty programs where they are rewarded for finding and reporting security flaws. The gray hat hackers. These are individuals who commit crimes and arguably unethical things but not for personal gain or to cause damage. Gray hat hackers may disclose a vulnerability to affected organization after having compromised their network. Example of gray hat hackers operate in a middle ground between ethical and malicious hacking. Their job is often involved uncovering security vulnerabilities without permission but with intent to improve cybersecurity. The black hat hacker. These are unethical criminals who compromise computer and network security for personal gain or for malicious reasons such as attacking networks. Example of black hat hackers engage in illegal activities that exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks. For example, they might use phishing attacks to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords or credit card details. Another common tactic is ransomware, where they lock victims out of their own system and demand payment to restore access. These three persons are well known in hacking. Kevin Mitnick is a great example of white hat hackers. Once known as notorious black hat hackers, he turned his skills around and became a cybersecurity consultant. He now helps companies identify vulnerabilities in their system to prevent breaches. Adrian Lamo, a well-known example of a great hat hacker, he gained attention for hacking into high-profile networks like Microsoft and the New York Times, not for malicious reasons, but to expose security vulnerabilities. Albert Gonzalez, a notorious example of black hat hackers, he masterminded one of the largest credit card thefts in history, stealing over 170 million card numbers from companies like TJX and Heartland Payment Systems. His action caused massive financial losses and highlighted the vulnerabilities in corporate cybersecurity. The evolution of hackers. The table displays modern hacking terms and a brief description of each. In hacking term, we have script kiddies. These are teenagers or inexperienced hackers running existing scripts, tools, and exploits to cause harm, but typically not to profit. Example, script kiddies, the lack of skills, limited knowledge. They watch YouTube, then react what are they watching. They don't know what the consequence of their doing. Also, they use pre-written hacking tools or script rather than creating their own exploits. Vulnerability broker. There are usually gray hat hackers who attempt to discover, exploit, and report them to vendors, sometimes for prizes or rewards. Example, they are middlemen, they buy and sell. One of example is companies like Zerodium, which buy vulnerabilities from researchers and sell them to government agencies. Another example is individual security researchers who discover, exploit, and report them for bug bounties or financial rewards. Hacktivists. Two examples of hacktivist group are Anonymous and the Syrian Electric Army. Although most activist groups are well organized, they can cause significant problems for government and businesses. Hacktivists tend to rely on fairly basic, freely available tools. The term of hacktivism is combination of hacking and activists. Example, hacktivists use tactics like DDoS attack, website defacement, and data leaks to push their agendas. The action can be controversial as they blur line between activism and cybercrime. Cybercriminals. It's estimated that cybercriminals steal billions of dollars from consumers and businesses. Cybercriminals operate in an underground economy where they buy, sell, and trade attack toolkits, zero-day exploit code, botnet service, banking trojans, keyloggers, and much more. They also buy and sell the private information and intellectual property they steal. Cybercriminals target small businesses and consumers, as well as large enterprises and entire industries. Example, Gian Son James Acheta, who created botnets network of infected computers to carry out cyber attack and even rented them out for profit. Cyber criminals often engage in activities like identity theft, ransomware attacks, and data breaches, causing significant harm to individuals and organizations. State-sponsored hackers. State-sponsored hackers create advanced, customized attack code, often using previously undiscovered software vulnerabilities called zero-day vulnerabilities. An example of a state-sponsored attack involves the Stuxnet malware that was created to damage Iran's nuclear enrichment capabilities. Example of state-sponsored hackers are cyber operatives backed by governments to advance national interests. A famous example is the Lazarus Group, linked to North Korea, known for Sony Pictures' hack and WannaCry ransomware attack. Another is APT-29 Kosovo, allegedly tied to Russia, involved in SolarWinds breach and suspected espionage activities. That's all for now. Thank you.